protection or without protection?
Grabe.
I would say no protection.
Without.
Feel it.
With protection or without protection?
With protection, of course.
Siyempre, Bisaya, hindi pwedeng Diyos ko, hindi pwedeng ganon. 'Di ba? Walang protection. Tapos kung kani-kanino lang. Tama 'to sinasabi ni ate.
I'm 28 but I'm a virgin.
Oh.
But for me, maybe with protection.
With
Siyempre.
protection or without protection?
Without protection. So
Shit.
we can make more love or we can feel the love skin to skin.
Eh.
How about you? Without protection also. So you can feel it.
Feel it better.
Yeah.
Have you ever used the protection before?
I try once. No, I never tried use protection.
With
Magtataka pa ba tayo kung bakit maraming HIV sa Pilipinas and common sa mga kabataan? Nasa age 30 pababa madalas. Diyos ko po, Rude. Nakakahiya. Pinost ito ng ibang lahi ha. At ang daming nanood. Imagine the impact. Imagine the influence of this vlogger. Hindi lang Pilipino ang mga followers niya. All over the world ang mga nanonood at nagko-comment. Imagine this. Magagalit kayo sa gobyerno, tao mismo gumagawa ng desisyong hindi tama.